uh, and also the ciphers. So if you are using 1.1 with the latest ciphers, that may not work. And also one thing for financial and banking applications, each country's law enforcement derive some rules for online applications, financial based applications, banking or insurance or anything, that they should follow the standard for optimized security, right? So based on those standards include better way of encryption, better authentication, data integrity, and better security. So security is actually these all fall under security, but the point is to tell you that uh, ciphers, it plays a very crucial role in SSL or TLS. So actually the cipher defines how the encryption process, decryption, authentication, and data integration will work throughout the secure session, meaning throughout this entire session when when you establish a connection with the server by initiating the client hello, right? So a cipher is a mathematical algorithm used to encrypt and decrypt information. So simple, it is a mathematical algorithm. So in SSL or TLS, the protocol behind HTTPS, ciphers ensure that, so it does not do the encryption and decryption. What exactly the cipher does is it ensures whether the data is scrambled, meaning encrypted before it goes over the network. So it makes sure that your data is encrypted and only the intended recipient can unscramble it, meaning your browser has used the server's public key from the server certificate to encrypt the data, and who can decrypt it? The server that has got the private key, which is also known as the master secret. Only that private key has the capability to unscramble or decrypt your data. So the cipher makes sure of these things. So you can think it like a lock and key system, where a cipher is the method of locking, encrypting, and it works only if you have the matching way to unlock. So how ciphers work in SSL communication? So simple. When browser connects to a secured website, the browser sends a list of supported suites to the server. Okay, what are the supported seats? You can call it seat or suite, whatever it is. Uh, the browser, they follow the standard. So based on the operating system and based on the browser version, the cipher suites will be sent to the server. Why it is sent? Because the server has to agree upon which cipher the client supports for further SSL communication. So your browser will have multiple cipher suites, and that is why it sends the list of cipher suites, and the server picks the strongest and mutual cipher suite. So strongest, yes, we will discuss what is a strong, what is a weak, and what is a null cipher. And mutual, why mutual? Because both the parties has to agree upon the supported cipher. Yeah. So both the parties have to agree upon supported cipher for further communication. Once the cipher is selected, then they securely agree on a session key derivation using methods like RSA or Diffie-Hellman, right? So these are the key exchange algorithms. AES and DES are they are symmetric and these are asymmetric.